Hello, guys, and welcome to the beginner's course for Canva design. If you're struggling with learning how to design, or you want to learn how to design but you don't know where to start from, you must have heard that you can learn from Photoshop, you can learn from Canva, you can learn Corridor, and maybe you're confused of what to do. I want to recommend Canva to you, and that's why I'm going to be making this video to show you step by step how you can actually use Canva for yourself and create stunning design. And the beautiful thing about Canva, the beautiful stuff about Canva is that Canva is extremely free, except for the pro version that allows you to actually explore the premium things, the benefits of Canva. So today I'm going to be taking you through a step-by-step process of the Canva interface. So if you're looking at my screen right now, on this screen you'll be seeing a C, a logo with a C on the top left, top right corner. Yeah, top right corner. So just at the second row of this icons you're seeing. So you'll be seeing the C button. So that's the Canva app for you. So if you want to get to Canva, maybe you don't have to take a minute now. You want to get Canva on your phone, on your smartphone. The first thing you're going to do is to go to your Google Play Store. That's the first thing you're going to do. So I'm going to search for Google Play Store on my phone right now. So follow me as I'm doing it, and you can even pause this video from time to time so you can rewind it from time to time and try stuffs. So quickly now, let me take you to Google Play Store where we're going to download app the app called Canva. All right. So on this screen right now, you're seeing the Google Play Store, and I click the Google Play Store. So if you want to see Google Play Store, you want to see Canva, you just go straight to the search button and you type in what? Canva. Yeah, Canva. All right. So you click the search button, you're going to see the app appearing on the top of your Google Play Store apps. Yeah, so that's Canva for you. So for me, I've already downloaded the app. Yeah, I've downloaded the app. So that's why you see the open on the top right corner of this screen. All right. So for you, when you come for the first time to download Canva, what you're going to see is not this open. You're going to see install. Yeah, let me say it again. You're going to see install. Yeah, so when you see install, you click the install button. So it's going to show you a pop-up that will tell you to input your email and your details. Yeah, so when you input your details, it's going to now give you access to download the app. Yeah, so when you download the app, you see something like this open. So for me, I've already downloaded. So what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do next? Next thing I'm gonna do is to hit this open, and it will take us to yeah, the Canva page. Yeah, so let's wait. I like the way I'm feeling now. All right, so if you are a beginner and you're watching this right now, I want you to comment in the comment section and tell me if you like what you're seeing, if you're learning from this already, if this seems to be interesting to you. Comment below if you have a challenge, if you have something you've been struggling with as regards with design. Comment below, so let me know what you feel. So all right, our page has loaded, or is still loading anyway, so let's just wait patiently. All right, our page has loaded anyway. All right, quickly, let me just take you through the interface for the Instagram and for the Canva app. Yeah, so if you come into Canva for the first time, it's going to ask you to, it's going to expected that you've let's assume you've done your registration and everything. You're going to see your name. All right, you're going to see your name. Mine is because you can't see my name because I've been using the app for a while right now. So when you come into this page, what you're going to see is this create a design. Create a design means that you're creating the design from scratch. I'm not going to be encouraging you to do that. I'm not going to advise you to do that because it's a lot of stress. That's why Canva steps in for you to help you to minimize the stress you're going to have with designing. With Canva, all you need to do is just work on the templates that has been given to you. All right, that's what makes it easy for you to use Canva, and that's why Canva is a beautiful resource. It's a beautiful app for beginner graphic designers. So under this create a design, what's the first thing we can see? We can see Instagram post. If you want to create Instagram post from scratch, yeah, that's it. If you want to create logo from scratch, if you want to create your story for your Facebook, you want to create a story for your Instagram, that's your story. If you want to create animated social media posts, you want to create poster from scratch, you want to create Instagram stories from scratch, you want to create photo collage, you want to create a flyer from scratch, you want to create a card, you want to create invitation, you want to create phone wallpaper, presentations, videos, business card, resume, infographics, menu, postcard, brochure, invitation, portrait, WhatsApp story, A4 document, announcement, t-shirt, whatever. So much, thousands of designs you can do on Canva. So I'm not going to be taking you deeply into this part that has to do with the create design, or this part that has to do with creating designs from scratch. I'm going to take you through what makes it easy for both of us. All right, so here now you have Instagram posts. So these are pre-designed templates for you to use. You want to make Instagram posts and you want to make it very easy for you. You can come here and pick whichever one suits you. Okay, you pick the one that suits you. All right, once you see the one that suits you, you click it and it's gonna open it for you. For me, I'm not interested in Instagram posts. Let me see if I'm gonna see what I'm interested in. All right, let's go, 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 let's go. All right, I think I want to create a little poster. Yeah, a little poster. Okay, maybe a flyer. Yeah. All right, let's just pick something. Let's just pick something. Let's just pick something. All right. So just in case you want to create, you want to make a video, or you want to create a flyer, and what your options, the options you want is not here. You're going to click this arrow that points forward to the right. Yeah, this arrow that points forward to the right. When you click it, it's going to open the bigger more is going to open more templates for you. So let's wait. Okay, you can see more templates. Yeah, you can see more templates. So let's say we want to design a flyer for a food business, for a restaurant. So what do we have here? We have this one, so seafood. So I click that. It's loading right now. It's loading right now. It's loading right now. It's loading. All right, let's wait. Okay, 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 okay. All right. Now we have a very beautiful design right here, which is still loading. Yes, still loading. What's happening? I think my network is a bit slow. Okay, good. It's fully loaded right now, so you can see this beautiful design. For me, I like this, and maybe I like this and I designed this, and I feel okay. I just want to change the design a little bit, so I can come to the font and start to change stuffs. Okay, maybe let's start from the picture that is on the right. I want to pick a picture that is really different from what I can see on my screen. So I'm going to change the picture right now for you to see. So I click on the picture. All right, I click on the picture. You can see I've clicked on the picture. So not yet. So I'm adding something else. Once you click on the picture, it will show you a plus on the left side below. You can see a plus. So I'm going to click that plus to add another picture to my design, so to my picture. All right, let's do that. Right. Another beautiful thing about Canva is that it gives you more options online. It gives you bigger options to select pictures from online. So if you want to select pictures from online, what you do is to come to this search anything from Canva. You just go up there and you pick up you go up there, you come to photos, right? You come to picture, you click on that one, you search for food, right? Food. You click food. Let's see where it will take us to. Remember, we're trying to change the picture that is there. Okay. Now we have this picture. I love this picture that is I'm seeing here. So I'm gonna pick it. I'm gonna pick that picture. Okay. You can see. So I'm deleting. Alright. I'm deleting the old one. I click the old one and I'm deleting. Yeah. So you can see I'm deleting the old one. I'm deleting this one because it loaded twice, right? So let me still work on that picture. So you're gonna pull it with your hand. You're gonna pull it till where you can find more space. All right. So here's my little design. Actually, it's not. I don't want it to be full. I don't want it to cover the whole space on my screen. So what am I going to do? I want this picture to go behind this pink that is below. So I'm gonna, I'm gonna find a way to put it below it. So let's quickly find a way to put it below. Adjust image, position. Yeah, I go to position and click position. So when I click position, it's giving me options. You can see pop up here showing forward, backward, to the front, to the back. Yeah, so I'm going to take to the back. Can you see? Now we've been able to change it and take it to the back. So we take off this page. Now we can change the color of this round stuff that carries the visit us. You can change it to this, change it to orange. I want to change it to orange. Let me see if it will change. So I click the pink first. All right, that's the color I'm working on. All right, so I click the pink and I change it to orange. Change it to orange. Okay, it's not working yet. It's not working yet. It's not working yet. All right, something seems not to be correct, but let's try. Let's try again. Let's try again. So that color, I'm going to change it to something else. All right, you can see it's changing. So I don't want that red. I want something else. Yeah, so I'm going to take the color down to let's make it an orange. An orange is kind of lovely. Let's see. Let's make it something deeper. Okay. So I want something that is not too bright and something that's not too shouty. So that's why I'm choosing this color. So you can actually play with the design based on how you want your design to look. Yeah. Um, so this is this, and we're done with this. So I'm done with this. Okay. So you can also come to the um the design. Okay, you can come to the design, the write-ups, and hit the write-ups. If you want to change the write-ups, what you're going to do is to go to anyone you want. So for instance, I want to change this seafood to ocean feast. Yeah, I want to change seafood to ocean feast. So what I'm going to do is double click the word, double click the handwriting. All right, double click it. You can see it has highlighted it, so it will bring out a typing keypad on your screen. So what I'm going to do now is to type what? Ocean. Ocean. Ocean foods. Right? Ocean foods. Ocean foods. Yeah, good. So we're done. All right. So I can't take you through all the process of just typing and changing this stuff, but this is just a simple way for you to actually create your stunning design without having to stress yourself on Canva. So quickly, I'm going to show you how to save whatever you have designed. Yeah, let's say you finish saving and you finish designing and you want to save your work. So what do? Go up, look up, you see a screen. You see an arrow that points down on the top right of your screen. So you're going to click that arrow. All right. Save image as. All right. Save as image. Save as image. Yeah. It's going to bring us some options where we're going to choose if we want to save the picture as 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 a PDF, as whatever image. Let me try it again. I'm not seeing that option. Let me try it again. Let's try if it work. Oh wow, it's working. I guess some new stuffs have been introduced into Canva. So um, usually what it will show you the options for you to save as all right. It's asking me to allow to Canva to access my pictures. Fine, I click allow, and then my picture is saving. My picture is saving. Yeah, my picture is saving. Alright. Okay. Alright, let's wait for it to finish saving so we can find it if we are done with the design. I guess my network is kind of slow, but let's wait. Like I said before, you can actually use Canva to do quite a whole lot. You can do crazy designs on Canva. You can even use your laptop if you have a laptop. That's fine. You can actually do this on your laptop too. But this video actually was meant to, help people who have smartphones who want to learn how to do stuff on their smartphones. All right. So saving is taking too long, but I have to be patient for this to work. All right. I have to be patient. I have to be patient. Actually, this doesn't take time. This doesn't take as long as this time. I'm wondering why it's kind of this slow, but definitely, um, this is just how you do your job, how you do your design and save it on Canva. So once you're done with saving your design, you're going to go to your gallery on your phone and check for the design you just created. Yeah, if this video makes sense to you, if it's making value, if you're getting value from this video, please give me a thumbs up, make a comment below. Let me know what you think about this video. Let me know what problems, what challenges you're facing with your design. Let me know what you think about this video, so and I will give you a quick response on whatever questions and challenges you have. So we may not be able to wait for this to download, but definitely I'm sure that you have learned something from this video. So I'm going to just go off for now. I see you in my next video. Right, thank you for watching.